They come and them finna and them things say, them things say. Them are the general, them one time, them one time. You come and them finna and them things say, them things say. Them are the general.
It's just a quick one. I'm not even sitting down, and there's a lot of activity outside, which is making me feel a little bit of pressure. I'm not in a soundproof room, and everything happens here. This is where it all goes down. I actually don't ever want to leave my house this week. I just want to stay here and make things, create things. The cat could come in the window any moment. I do have to leave, however. Let's just talk a little bit about bulldozers. Bulldozers, little bulldozers, little bulldozers. Try saying that 3 times fast. Little bulldozers. Let's also talk about oil of Olay. What is an Olay and what is oil of Olay? I guess I could just Google it, right? That's what people do these days. They Google everything. What is that? Let's Google it. Google should pay me just to say that. Bulldozers. Olays.
Let me tell you something, fi me gun it a me girl. Enough of them a pose like a them run the world. Let me tell you something, fi me gun it a me girl. Me gun me hug up and kiss. Sleep with that night. If a boy try to kill me, shut out in my side. You know I and I is dynamite. When me hold my microphone, I strictly truth and right. Limb by limb, we a go cut them